Do you want to start YouTube short automation using AI? I've got some exciting news for those of you looking to start a YouTube short automation channel. Today, I'm revealing the best niche for YouTube shorts, the manual process of creating a YouTube short channel, and my #1 hidden secret method of creating a YouTube shorts automation channel using AI. As a beginner, it's crucial to consider 3 key factors when selecting a niche. First, the size of the target audience. Second, whether the niche is evergreen. And third, how easy it is to produce content for this niche. The niche I'm about to reveal today checks all 3 boxes. It's popular, evergreen, and easy to create content for. The niche I'm recommending today is the humor niche. Everyone loves a good laugh, making it easy to build an audience. You can get 1,000 subscribers with just 10 videos. Plus, with AI tools, creating videos for this niche is a breeze. Stick with me till the end, and I'll show you how to automate your YouTube channel using a new AI tool. First, let me show you an example video.
Once upon a time, in a small town, a man walked into a bar carrying a chicken under his arm. The bartender, curious, asked, "Why do you have a chicken?" The man replied, "I bet someone in this bar $100 that I could make this chicken laugh." Intrigued, the bartender pointed at a grumpy-looking fellow and said, "You see that guy over there? He never smiles, let alone laughs. If you can make him laugh, I'll give you a free round for the whole bar." The man nodded and approached the grumpy guy, whispered something to the chicken, and the chicken burst into laughter. Amazed, the bartender asked, "How did you do that?" The man chuckled and said, "Well, first, I told the chicken a secret. Then we went to the pond, and he saw a frog. The frog told him the funniest joke ever."
Now, let's see first how we can create a video like this manually, and then I'll show you an easier, automated method. First, we need a script. We can use ChatGPT to generate it. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask it to create a funny story for a YouTube short video. Make it funny and simple. And let's generate. Here's our script. Next, we need voiceovers. For that, we can use 11 Labs, one of the best text-to-speech AI voice generators. Now, let's generate images for this script using Leonardo AI. Select a model that suits your script, generate the images part by part, and ensure they match the story. Then import all the footage to CapCut and edit it into a short video. But there's an easier way. Let me introduce you to my secret. Auto Shorts AI is a tool that automates the entire process. This AI does everything: script writing, image generation, editing, and uploading your videos with titles and descriptions. Auto Shorts AI ensures all videos are unique, avoiding copyright issues. It can manage multiple YouTube and TikTok channels without any stress. They offer 3 plans: the starter plan for $19 per month, the daily plan for $39 per month, and the hardcore plan for $69 per month. You can try it for a month to see the results. After signing up, go to Create. Connect your YouTube or TikTok page, or choose to receive the video via email. Select your niche, choose a voice, set the language, and pick the duration.
2 friends, Jake and Max, went on a fishing trip. As they rowed their boat into the middle of the lake, Jake exclaimed, "I forgot the bait." Max, always prepared, pulled out a stick of dynamite. "Don't worry," he said, lighting it and tossing it into the water, causing a huge explosion and fish to float up. "Quick, grab them." Jake hesitated. But
As you can see, Auto Shorts AI nails the image matching and transitions perfectly, adding background sound effects for a polished look. If you don't like the initial script, you can easily generate a new one with a click. So, if you want to speed up your video creation process and don't have much time for editing, this AI tool is perfect for you. Check the link in the description to try Auto Shorts AI. I'll see you guys in the next video with more exciting tips. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.